In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve if left mouse button not working. So there is a trick you can try to resolve that problem. Just guys, you have to double click, press and hold left key of your mouse for 10 seconds and try this way 10 to 15 times. Then unplug your mouse with your laptop or computer. Then make click like this about 5 to 10 minutes. Just click left button of your mouse. Then now insert and plug in your mouse with laptop. So just two steps you have to try. Firstly, press and hold left button of your mouse and leave it. Press and hold for 10 seconds and leave it. After that, unplug and you have to click left button 300 to 500 times. So hopefully this method will work. And comment these tips and trick is useful for you. Thanks for watching.